Yep, you're on.
Okay, so I'm now at La Plata, I think it's called, 14,000 feet. I made a very stupid challenge to myself going up here, that if I wouldn't have a headache when I got up, I'd have to do 20 push-ups at the top. So that's where I am. Okay.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
One for next year.
19, 20 and 21.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Now let me show
Yeah.
the view so they know you haven't been faking.